Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my pre-poo routine plus some tips and tricks that I use for my scalp when it is itching me like crazy. It's been a long week of workouts this week, so as you can see my hair has been looking really dusty and just overall crazy. And my scalp was just really going through it. So in case you didn't know, aloe vera is good for a lot of things, especially when it comes to your hair, but it also aids in other things like your skin and whatnot. But since I'm using it on my hair, I'm going to tell you about the benefits. So it reduces buildup on your scalp and it treats dandruff, it stimulates hair growth, and it also moisturizes your scalp. It treats alopecia, it reduces hair thinning, it treats hair loss, it cools your scalp if it's super itchy. And like I said, my hair has been really crazy this week, and I guess it has a lot of buildup going on, so my scalp is super dry right now and it's just been itching the hell out of me. So here I'm just rubbing the aloe all over my scalp and making sure I get every part and every section of my hair. And then I'm going to take my spray bottle and just kind of dampen it up so it's easier to apply product. And I'm going to be applying one of my favorite oils. This is from Briogeo. It's from their Scalp Revival collection, and it is charcoal plus tea tree. It's a scalp treatment. Very soothing for the scalp. I love this little oil, although I think they need to make a bigger one because these little drops, I could probably just have rubbed it all over my head, this whole bottle. Also, you guys, do not throw away that piece of aloe that you've been using because it may look dried out, but if you dig a little bit, as I'm showing you here, it will reveal some more aloe that you can use. So like I said, do not throw that part away. You might be able to still use some. And I'm just coating my hair with this whole aloe. Like I'm honestly, you guys, I'm trying to get every piece. Come on, I tell you, my hair was, well, you guys saw it, okay? You guys saw that my hair was looking hella dry. And so once I'm done with that part, I'm just going to go ahead and tie it up so I can get out the way. And I'm going to work on the next side. So here's my hair fully covered with aloe vera, and yeah, now we're gonna moving on to the next step. And here I'm just applying my favorite little hair oil that I always make. If you guys see my previous video, like I mentioned, I am just using this same oil to add to my little pre-poo routine. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go let it sit for a couple of minutes, maybe an hour or two, depending on whatever you prefer. And now I'm going to wash it out and be back to show you guys the result. And after 2 to 3 business days, I'm just playing. After a couple hours, we are back. And are you guys seeing these results? I'm getting definition and volume. All right, you guys, so this is my wash results. I love it. My curls are looking super defined, and I do get my volume that I love, so you know, I love volume over definition, but if I could give me some definition too, then it's a win-win. Go ahead and do my baby hairs, my edges, and just lay them down. And I'm going to be using this Cream of Nature Perfect Edges. I feel like I'm too zoomed in. And I already spritz my edges a little. I don't have my mirror, so hopefully I can just do it. Don't forget where that sauce came from, best remember my name. You take L's once in a while. So I forgot to mention that I use this curl defining shampoo by Pacifica. This is from their Pineapple Curls collection. If that wants to load. And then I followed up with their curl defining conditioner. Alright you guys, this concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!